on your Illustrator cert test, you're going to be asked a question referring to how you can print multiple artboards in a single page from Illustrator. So the idea is that I'm going to take each of these artboards and I'm not going to print them as page 1, 2, and 3, but rather I'm going to print all of them on one page. In order to try this out, we're going to go to File and Print. And if I wanted each of these artboards to go one by one, artboard 1 as a separate page, I would maybe select all or range so I can select which artboards I want to print. But I want all 3 artboards to be printed on a single sheet of letter size paper, for example. So I'm going to actually select the option that says Ignore Artboards. And in so doing, all of the content in the artboards is going to print in one large page. You're going to probably want to mess around with the document setup a little further before you select this option. But when it asks you how you can print multiple artboards on a singular page, you need to select the option that says Ignore Artboards in the certification test.